Of course, right before we fucking start, goes down the wrong fucking pipe. Welcome back, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning into another stream. Today, we've got Mr. Chen with us. Mr. Hayes, the one and only. He has returned. Welcome back, everyone. If you guys are new here, in the morning we come in, we take a look at NQ price action. We see what happened during the overnight session between the Asia session and the London session. We then take a look at New York session, what can happen going into it. And then at night we come in, we review, we take a look at some crypto, we take a look at some stonks. So let's get into it. Today was probably the first day where we saw some downside initially right at open. It was really nice. So over here, right, looking at Asia session, London session, we had this Asia session consolidation, London session sweeping both sides. So going into New York, there was potential for seeing a seek and destroy profile, S&D, right, where price sweeps the top or the bottom of the London session and then reverses back to the other side. Here in the morning, we were looking at potential shorts, right into that open, New York midnight open. You can see price opens up at 9:30. We sweep the top of the previous 15-minute candle as well as the top of the previous 5-minute candle. Rejection off of that New York midnight open. Also on the hourly, we're rejecting a fair value gap, and that gives us that continuation to the downside, targeting that London session low. We also have some other lows here that we did deliver to, which was awesome. So then after that delivery, we see a rising VIX fix. We see the price at 9.55, sweeping the previous 5-minute candle low. That gives us that reversal push going into the next hourly candle. You can see the closing price of that 9 a.m. candle is holding the body of the 10 a.m. candle up, which gives us that reversal right back into the upside. Over here on the 5-minute, we also see a retrace into the OTE of that little leg to the upside that we saw. Reversal continuation, London session high target. And then off of this, right after the macro, we see a nice reversal here after this hourly opened up 15 minutes, sweeping the top of that previous 15-minute candle. That's also the 15-minute sweeping the previous hourly high at 12 a.m. And that gives us some reversal to the downside, tapping into the OTE of that whole range that we had. So you can see OTE sweep of liquidity here, 705 tap, rising VIX fix, and gives us that reversal. Going into tomorrow, we're still going to be watching that previous daily high. Same thing as yesterday. Maybe we'll get an outside day tomorrow. Who knows? I mean, previous daily high sweep and then reversal back to the downside. That'd be pretty cool, but also don't know what they're going to bring to tomorrow, given that this whole week has just been up, non-fucking stop, which has clapped me a little bit. I will not lie. Not too big on trends. So today's range was sweet. All right, that's all I got on NQ for right now. Let's see what we have crypto-wise. There's been some, but it's literally seems like everything's just bumping off of that Bitcoin price. I don't know if you've taken a look at anything.
Yeah, I still
Fucking
just don't.
Ordy, goddamn.
I don't trust. I was just looking at hype, not hyper.
Hype.
I think it pretty much did what I wanted it to do.
Yeah.
It might be done here. If it can't, it's not displacing over this sweep, and this is kind of like the third drive up.
Yeah, which
on
one
the daily.
Posted one
But
yesterday.
yeah, I don't like Bitcoin at all still.
Yeah.
It just looks like a bear. It looks exactly like the last time in December.
Yeah.
Look at December. Same thing to me.
Yeah, that's true. That's very fucking true. That little like consolidation before that final reversal to the downside.
Yeah, if you look on the daily here, I'm sending it to you. This is, I don't see anything but this.
Yeah. Yep. I like that. I like the way that you're looking at it. And also like 13 fucking days into the month and we're already cleared pretty much the whole fucking 5 months or whatever, however long, at least a quarter of the consolidation. So it's like, it's very fucking sus to me on this shit.
But that's why I don't like shorting either, because like if you look back in December too, like,
yeah,
they drive it up however many times they want.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how many times. And yeah, then you get stopped out and then...
Yeah. Well,
Like,
the
what
only thing
fuck?
that here on Bitcoin, we did sweep previous monthly high. So that's what I do like on this thing, is that we did sweep that previous monthly high. So now it's kind of like, what do we want to do from here on this thing? Yeah, not trusting it yet, because we didn't have it like there's no displacement necessarily on a bigger time frame, like a weekly. We don't have any displacement yet. But we do have that bearish OTE range that we can fucking tap into. Around like 83 maybe. You know?
Yep.
We come into like at least 83 and then continue to the downside, some shit like that.
Yep. Sorry, I was just drooling at NQ chart.
That fractal is fucking retarded.
The job's not done.
The crank machine got turned the fuck on. April 6th, like Trump was fucking kept on yapping again. I mean, I guess more like March 30th, but April 6th, we made that low on Monday and fucking just continued to crank to the upside. I guess thanks, Trump.
All the fucking chips again.
Yep. Everything. Yeah, I guess, yeah, nothing crazy on crypto. Stonks wise,
I will say too quick with crypto, the craziest part is it used to move with the chips, and now it doesn't even do that anymore.
that's
Like,
fucking.
I just feel like there's just nothing, like no buyers, no sellers. It's just
Mhm.
like nothing.
Just Michael Saylor.
Yep, literally all by himself.
Just all Sailor trading, just like a fucking little kid at a playground all by himself.
He'll just end up owning them all, and then everyone's like, okay, now what?
Yeah, he can't sell to nobody. He can't.
You win, I guess.
Yep. I know. I have it all. I have it all. Bro, you can't sell. He's gonna create another fucking MSTR, but MSTRU. So it's gonna be the inverse of it.
Yeah. And looking back, remember how many? There were a lot of top signals. There
Mhm.
was plenty.
Oh yeah.
I think I even posted them all in Discord. There
Oh
was
yeah.
quite a few.
Oh yeah.
You had like the major brands adopting it. You had like the 30 to 45-year-old girls on Facebook getting in like lots of tops signals.
Sadly. Sadly. But very true. Stocks right. AFRM got fucking cranking right now. That monthly reversal we posted on Discord was fucking solid. Okay.
Yep. Did you see on
Yeah, dude. That shit's fucking insane.
Dell and Intel fucking crazy?
Mm-hmm. I need to see that animal still playing out. Coin too. Coin is nice. Out of that OTE.
ANET, I think we talked about the last time I was on the stream.
Yeah.
Yeah, things just. Let me just click through a bunch here.
End of month.
Ooh,
Coin.
Roku looks good.
Hood fucking cranking to the upside too out of that 705.
I like Roku, what it did this week.
Let me see Roku. On the weekly.
Yeah, because I posted. When
Oh yeah, damn, that's a good fucking breakout there.
I posted February 25th about that liquidity sweep, and like no displacement down.
Mm-hmm.
Not bad.
Right, and breaking through the CISD too. I do like that. Hood INTC. Oh my fucking god.
No, it's gone.
Jesus. Hold up.
Gone.
I want to see if I have like the very bottom of that animal somewhere. I mean, fuck. When did we draw this fucking shit? This animal. We drew this on November 29th. Look at this shit. Insanity. JD also doesn't look bad.
Yeah, I still like it a lot.
Like that one, especially on the monthly. It looks like it wants to just rip through all of that shit All of that LRLR.
Yeah, even if it gets like a lower time frame, like pull back to like 30,
Yeah,
like somewhere in 30.
I like that.
Order filled.
Dirty 30.
Pen did really nice. I don't know if it gets any continuation or not.
Yeah, on fucking cranked. Jesus Christ.
Gone. AMD, did you see that?
Uh-huh.
AMD's gone. Fucking several years later.
Yeah, fuck that shit. Fucking on weekly, right out of that OTE too. I think we outlined that way back when together. March 9th on.
Yep. And yeah, I just sent you what I have on AMD to this broadening. And if it expands through that, this thing can go fucking crazy. Guess we'll see the monthly closes on this shit.
Yeah, I'd be curious to see because, I mean, this is fucking 13 days into the month and we're just cranking the fucking hog on all this shit. That's fucking insane. Which I'd love to see how they want to play this out. Maybe, next month they sweep something like tops of these monthlies and then we do a little reversal or some shit like that. I don't know. Fuck.
Yeah, I'm pretty lost overall. That's the hiatus.
Yeah.
And I've been busy, but
Yeah, you guys have been fucking cranking.
feels good. It was like
Hell yeah.
4 years of unemployment. So
Yeah. Oh yeah, dude, that on.
do a little workies.
Yeah. Sometimes you gotta do it.
UCOM's okay, but we didn't sweep that low unless it happened in after hours. No. The weekly doesn't look bad though.
On QCOM.
Yeah. Kind of hate that stuff though. Target still looks good.
Target, yeah. Ooh, S also doesn't look bad. S weekly, S monthly.
Yeah, I like that one.
S monthly looks like it wants to fucking go.
I think you bottom posted Target and I still have that on it.
Yeah.
It's like huge time frame flag.
Holy fucking shit. Yeah, that shit looks like it wants to break out. In
That's
there-
monthly.
Jesus fucking Christ. What's this S? There's to run. RLR. How do I become like fucking semi-retarded when you're on Adderall? Can't fucking
It's at, like the tail end.
type sometimes. Etsy. Fucking Marvel 2 right out of that OTE.
Aw, Pen. I like Pen monthly still.
Pen, ABBB, yeah. Yeah, Pen weekly too, right out of that OTE hold. Held that 0.5 in that CISD there. Yeah, monthly looks good. Retested the CISD. I like that. ABBV previous monthly low sweep, weekly SFP. Doesn't look too terrible. ABT fucking crashing. ACLS.
That looks okay.
Yeah, AMD just fucking Amazon. All of those fucking chips, ANET, all of tech, I guess. Going with NQ too, so makes sense.
I think Moderna still has room for upside.
Ooh. Look at Baba.
Baba.
Look at the way it's holding this OTE there.
Yep, very similar to JD. I like the monthly.
Mm-hmm. Monthly previous, monthly low sweep. I like Baba a lot, actually. Baba, hold of that OTE. I'm gonna post this one. Baba.
That target looks damn good.
Yeah, you changed my mind on it that one day. You were like looking at that higher time frame. And it was like a fucking animal on it still. I was like, yeah, fuck. She wants more. She ain't done yet.
Yeah, Moderna Daily, I like. It's like it broke out of this trend line finally. Almost had an outside day to the upside.
Hey. Oh, dash fucking cranking. God, fucking Dell. That was a fucking good call on that shit.
AVGO too. I think that was the
Mhm.
last stream. It had that sweep. Yeah, like 2-3 weeks ago.
Yeah, ooh. Rear. No, elf. Not yet.
Yeah. I said we got that liquidity sweep, reclaim the yearly open, it can get ripping, and it just fucking.
God damn. Google. All of tech is fucking going now. What about hum?
Yeah, I was looking at it. The higher time frames are okay. The lower ones
Yeah.
are kind of meh.
IWM, J&J. Let's see.
VVV on the weekly, getting that, just
Mm-hmm.
how it's holding that liquidity. It look nice.
Liv got what we wanted on it. Macy's.
What about Adobe? The
Adobe's
monthly.
so close to fucking finishing up my animal. Look at it. Look at how close that shit is to that liquidity. But that previous monthly low sweep is decent. I like that. If this weekly can close above that CISD, I think this will be good for Adobe.
Look at this.
Win.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
If this monthly
That's a
closes
good breakout.
nice.
Yeah. Moderna too. Yeah, Moderna's good.
Arc with 2Ks looks pretty good.
Arc. The ETA.
Yeah.
Yeah. Breaking out that weekly CISD. Monthly also looking pretty good. We tapped into this monthly. I want to say OTE close to it. 50%. Yeah. Inside the fair value gap too.
Ooh, this one's kind of nice. Visa monthly. So after previous month low, holding above the 618 of this last leg up.
Visa. Which one are you looking
It's
at?
just
Oh,
V.
just VEA. Yeah, that's right. I was like, oh yeah, that previous monthly low sweep is nice. If weekly can close above the CISD, that'll be nice. And get above that trend line.
Yeah, this could
Back above that.
it could move. Needs to hold over 310.
Mm. That. Netflix. Nice fucking gapper on that bitch. Video. Oracle too. Horacle. That tiniest little fucking previous daily low sweep or previous monthly low sweep. Sent that shit.
Oracle.
Yeah, QCOM does look up at that. Yeah, like you said, that liquidity on the bottom is a little fucking whack. Not a fan. But previous monthly low sweep. Rivian, RMBS, fucking cranking. Roku, like you said, that's a good one.
Yeah, I think JD has a stick incoming.
Mm-hmm. What about Snap?
Just was looking. The high time frame looks good.
Yeah. Weekly, if they can clear above that CISD, that'll be good. SoFi. Tap of OTE. Previous monthly low sweep. Already outside month. Pretty decent. Spotify, SPX, STX, goddamn.
HD monthly
Mhm.
question mark.
I was looking. I posted that one earlier. HD does look good. I like it in this OTE.
Uber monthly.
Uber.
Yeah, see, like some of these the monthly look good, but then like the weekly just looks like
Mhm.
shit.
Yeah. Yeah, it's like consolidation on the weekly, but it's holding the OTE nicely. Yeah, HD monthly is like in this big ass OTE here. And previous monthly low sweep and top of this fair value gap too. That we've just like literally bounced out of every single time. Right there.
Yep.
QRCL.
Marvel crazy.
C spot. What else do we have? Teams. Tesla having a nice squeezer. Tesla not terrible.
Order filled.
TTM. Tex and TXN. Fucking another
I
cranker.
know.
God damn. Yeah, Uber, Ulta, UPS. Retest of that inverse fair value gap that it had on the monthly. No previous monthly low sweep, but doesn't look terrible. And Upstart also. UPSD. Monthly doesn't look bad. USBV. Yeah, when I do like, if I think we have the same thing on it. If we can break back above this, this trend line, holding the 0.5 so far. XYZ.
Yep, I like that one.
XYZ weekly and monthly too. Looks like it's consolidated for enough time here. XYZ. Let's see, ZM. No, ZM not fan. Still. ZS. Look at BKSY.
God.
Breakout above the weekly CISD.
Yep, looks
Consolidation for a fuck ton of time. That does not look too bad. And it's like technology for rockets and shit. Like too bad. That is all I got on Stonkies. All she wrote.
I think so.
All right. Well, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for sticking around with us. If you guys are new here, as always, make sure you give it a like, give it a share. That's the best way to support us. If you guys have not yet checked out our website, make sure you go ahead and do that. www.papertraders.io. See what we're all about. See the things that... What am I talking about? See the things that we offer. Check out our past streams. See our track record. Make sure to check out our Twitter as well, at the Paper Traders, for any updates. Make sure you go check out Mr. Haste at Haste Beats. He's posting some awesome charts on his end as well. 3,000 followers for him. We're going to do a lifetime membership giveaway for the Paper Traders. 2,000 followers for me. You're going to do a tracksuit reveal. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. And we will see you on the next one. It's going to be tomorrow morning. Mr. Hayes, any words of wisdom?
No, not off the top of my head.
All right. Thank you, guys. Peace out.
Bye.